Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with some new digital files. And one has been out for a while, but I never did a video for it. So let's start with that one. So it is our hiking camping file and it's a collection. So it does have the silhouette file and it has like the blackout. So if you have a Cricut, you can, use it to do your Cricut file. But your silhouette file is already all done because I have a silhouette, so we're able to do that. So that is that. And then your normal PNG files. So all of this is in one file, if you will. You have all these files when you purchase this collection. So it's called a hiking camping. And don't forget, like these, you can print them on sticker papers and turn them into stickers. You can print it on vellum. And if you buy acetate that is for inkjet printers, you can also do that. And it has, 45 pieces in it. Now, the new collection that is coming out today is the fall gnomes. So we have a little boy and a little girl, and this time around they're holding something that is with the season. So this one right here, he's holding a huge acorn. So we have them in the assorted files. So there's 3 sizes on one sheet. So we have the 2-inch, the 1 3/4, and 1.5. We just found the 1-inch was really small and you could barely see the details. So, and they're nice and so cute. So we have apples and oranges, cozy cafe, and then pastel paradise. So this one is called acorn gnome. And this one is radiant rainbow, seasoned spices, summer carnival. And then this is exclusive for my patrons. They're going to get, at the beginning of December, they're going to get the gnome file. So that is in the mint. So that's the acorn boy or gnome. And then the sunflower gnome. And she's holding a little basket of apples too. So we have apples and oranges, cozy cafe. So these are perfect for fall pages. I think they're so cute. And pastel paradise. If you're new to my channel, my son is the one that designs all of these. And then we have radiant rainbow, seasoned spices. So you can go to NicoleJonesNow1.com and we have over 1,500 different files. Then we have, what is this? Seasoned spices, summer carnival, and mint. And again, that is exclusive to the patrons. Now you can purchase a single file or you can save 40% if you buy the whole collection. And that's it. That is our new files for this month. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.